It's a 2014 Volkswagen Passat. You love your family, and now you can love the family car too. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Integrated navigation system, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com highlights its high-quality cabin, refined and quiet ride, and top safety scores. Volkswagen, performance you'd expect with the precision of German engineering. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
It's a family approach to business that has helped Schmelz Countryside stand the test of time. Conveniently located at highways 36 and 61. Click or visit Schmelz Countryside today.